bet you never knew that strawberries can really play an amazing role in your longevity and healthy aging. Let's talk about it. Hi, I am Christian Drapeau. I'm a stem cell scientist and herbalist, and I help people live longer, better lives. Let me start with the story, sort of the historical development of all of this, and stick with it because it's interesting. So as scientists were using chemotherapy drugs for cancer with cancer patients, they started to observe that a number of them, aside from the cancer being gone, started to experience improvements in a lot of other conditions, chronic fatigue, even Parkinson, different kinds of problems. And what research revealed is that when cells age in the body, they typically reach at the end of their life cycle a state called senescence, when they can no longer divide. That's the point where a cell normally should kill itself through apoptosis, and it takes itself out from your cell pool and it is replaced by a new stem cells. It's just the life cycle of a cell. And what was discovered is that there are many cells in our body that reach senescence, but they don't take themselves out. So they stay there and they start to produce inflammatory compounds, garbage around them that sort of pollute their environment. And all of them together, these cells create what is called a senescence burden in your body. And it just happened that some of these chemotherapy drugs were killing these cells, so it was removing this senescence burden, and all the cells of the body starts to feel much better. So the person starts to experience greater level of health. So scientists went to study plants, went back into the whole scientific literature to find plants that had been associated with killing aging cells, killing cancer cells. And a number of them have been identified to be effective to kill these senescent cells, to help them kick the bucket. So, and one of these key plants, key compound is Fisetin or Fisetin, extracted from many fruits, many vegetables, but the most concentrated source is strawberries. So if you take about 40 strawberries a day, or any day when you take about 40 strawberries, you have about the right amount of Fisetin to basically trigger this elimination of that senescence burden. You need to do this for a few days, and then the effect continues for a few weeks. And every time you do this, you kind of take out a number of these senescent cells, and it's just all the better for your health.